Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Vizio soundbar subwoofer that is not working in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by looking at the LED light on the Vizio subwoofer. If there is no light at all, you can just simply check the power cable and the wall outlet first. If the light is on but the bass still doesn't work, the subwoofer may have lost its wireless pairing from the soundbar. Now, many Vizio soundbars use a wireless subwoofer connection. So you just have to simply press and hold the power button on the back of the subwoofer for a few seconds and then press the pair or the power button on the soundbar depending on your model. Once it is paired successfully, the indicator light usually becomes solid instead of blinking. Now, sometimes the subwoofer is technically working, but the bass level is turned extremely low. So you can use Vizio remote to raise the bass level, subwoofer level, and the EQ settings. You can also press and hold this power button for at least 20 seconds and wait for it some time until it restarts or reboots, and then you can just simply try using it again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.